Okay, is your computer running slow? Sadly, this is the case for a lot of people, and it may not even be an old computer. So why is it running so slow? So when you're on the internet and browsing in Google Chrome, one thing that you can do is click on these three dots right here, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and right here, click on Clear Browsing Data. Now, I do this relatively regularly. You can see I only have 263 items. I'm going to clear download history, cookies, these images and files. I'm going to leave my passwords, but if you are unsure of whether or not those are safe, then you would want to clear those. So I'm going to just click Clear Data. For me, it's going to happen relatively fast because you can see I only have 263 items in my browsing history. There are times when I forget to do it as regularly, and there are thousands and thousands. So if that's the case for you, that may be contributing to your slow computer. But it's not always the reason. So here's my suggestion. Down here in the search bar, type this, %, EEMP, P, %. Okay, so now do you see right here, percent, temp, %, no spaces. So I'm going to click on this to open it. When I open it, look at all of this. Okay, so these are all temporary folders that were created, and you can see my computer is not that old. The oldest things are from January. So all of these things were temporarily created by apps and are potentially slowing down my computer. So what I want to do is select them all. Okay, so you're going to want to, because really what I want to do is delete them. Okay, so I'm going to Control A. That's selecting them all. Another way to do it, click this box right here, select them all. You don't have to remember the shortcut. Okay, so either click this box right here or do Control A, and we'll select them all. So if I do a quick scroll, you can see they are in fact all selected. There are folders and files, and then I want to click Delete. Yes, please delete these temporary folders. So look, continue. All right, so it is clearing this whole temporary folder. Okay, so it does take some time, but it's going to be beneficial in the long run. You can see all of those folders. So we'll skip this one it was had difficulty with. Probably because I might have that folder open. Okay, you could see those are recent ones from today, so I might have that app open at the time. All right, so it is deleting everything else. All right, so now I'm going to close this. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to my recycle bin and I'm going to empty my recycle bin. Okay, so I'm just going to clear all that stuff out. So all those things that I just deleted, it is now clearing them. So this should really help the speed of your computers.